So you've unboxed your P31 Plasma Cutter and you've plugged everything in and got the machine powered on. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the machine to have you cutting in no time. The first thing we're going to want to check is the air pressure. Now it's important to have this set correctly to have the machine cut effectively. As all the machines are tested before we send them out, there's a very good chance that the pressure is set correctly already. However, if you do need to make any changes, we'll go over how you do that now. Take a look at the front of the machine. On the left hand side you should see a pressure gauge, and we want this set to 70 psi. To adjust this, we locate the air pressure regulator found under the hatch on the left hand side of the machine. We first need to unlock it by pulling it upwards, and turning it clockwise will increase our pressure and anti-clockwise will decrease our pressure. We recommend holding down the button on the torch for a more precise setting. Now take your earth lead and attach it to the material you want to cut. We do recommend putting the earth as close to the area you're going to be cutting, as this should ensure a good connection. To adjust the amperage, we use the dial found on the front of the machine. Now it can be very tempting to crank the machine to its max amps and start cutting. However, we don't recommend this, and we do suggest fine-tuning those settings. The P31 uses drag contact tips, and these ensure precise and accurate cuts when using templates and straight edges. Now the speed in which you move the torch will vary depending on the thickness of the material and the amperage you have the machine set to. Now if you have any scrap material, we highly recommend doing some test cuts first, and then making some adjustments as you go along. Now that covers everything you need to know to get this machine cutting effectively. But if you have any questions on this machine or any of the machines in the R-Tech range, feel free to give us a call or drop us an email. We do have a trade counter which you're welcome to pop into, and we do offer free demos on all of the machines in the R-Tech range, and more details of this can be found over on our website.